Please join me and take an inside look at our featured entertainer. This young man can play his guitar and sing with energy and passion. Please take a look at Jonathan Bradford.
Hi, my name is Jonathan Bradford.
I am a singer-guitar player, sort of one-man band kind of thing. I write my own tunes, sing a couple other people's tunes, and hopefully people like it. I like to skateboard with my friends around my neighborhood. I eat and sleep, obviously. I play guitar, hang out at ODU because my girlfriend goes there. The taping of this television show has definitely been an unforgettable experience. I've met a lot of awesome people, a lot of really talented people. People represent something along the lines of a turning point for me, it's a step in the right direction, a huge step in the right direction. It signifies where I want to be going with my life and what I want to be doing in the future instead of just, fixing toilets or something, or flipping hamburgers.
I'm a featured artist on a new TV show called Fever that's coming out. Just wondering if you'd like to take a postcard, experience the awesomeness.
Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming to the stage Jonathan Bradford.
When I saw you walking out my front door, couldn't help but feel that there was something more. Girl, you got me thinking that I got me spinning in circles. I'm not ready to say goodbye, girl. I love you for every night and every day, yeah. 'Cause baby, you take the rain from my cloudy days, yeah. Oh, yeah. Close my eyes and let my mind drift away. Tears stream down my cheek when I know you're here to stay, yeah. Girl, you got me thinking that I got you in my arms tonight. I'm not ready to say goodbye, 'cause girl, I love you for every night and every day, yeah. Baby, you take the rain from my cloudy days, yeah.
Fever is sponsored by Hudson County. Last Wikipedia.